How to send a picture to an email. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can send picture to an email. In order to send picture to an email, there are two different ways of doing it. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now go ahead and open up your Gmail app. Once you open up, then go ahead and select the compose button located right at the bottom. Enter in the email address to whom you are actually sending. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and select the one. So let's go with this one and enter in the subject. Let's go with this. Type in whatever sort of message that you wish to give, and as you can see right on top, to insert a picture or to send a picture, you need to click the paperclip icon located in the top right hand side. So after that, you'll be provided with two different options, that is either to attach a file or insert from a drive. Select which one. I'm gonna go with attach a file and then select the particular image that I wish to send it. So I'm just gonna randomly pick the one. So let's go with this one, and if you're sure about it, then click the arrow icon and you'll be able to send a picture to an email. However, the other way is you can just go ahead and open up your gallery, and then let's say that this is the particular image that I wish to send it. So click the share button located right at the bottom, and from there you can go ahead and select share apps and select Gmail. So similarly, write in the email address to whom you're actually sending, compose. You can also add a subject, a short message as well, and click the arrow icon. That's how you can send picture to an email. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.